Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll solve from المعاصر book, model number 11. Look at with me about questions number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. In the opposite Venn diagram, the greatest common factor it will be what? We can write 2 product by 6 equal 2 by product by 3 equals 6. The greatest common factor it will be 2 product by 3 equals 6. Number 2. The coefficient in the algebraic expression it will be 2. 2 here is the coefficient of the variable x power 2. Okay, 2 here we called it the coefficient. In the coefficient here it will be 2. Choose letter B. Question number 3. All the following numerical data except favorite sport, it's descriptive data. Choose letter B. We have two types of data, numerical data and verbal data. It is descriptive data, okay? Numerical and descriptive. Numerical has digits such as age, height, weight, but favorite sport we called it descriptive data. Favorite sport, descriptive data. Question number 4. Which of the following distribution has the same value of 3x plus 5 at x equal 3? Put x equal 3 in this expression. Then 3 product by 3 equal 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Okay. He asked about which the solution equality 14 if you put x equal 3. Choose letter D. Because we have x power 2 plus 5. X equal 3. Put 3 here. 3 power 2 it will be 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Then choose letter D. Choose letter D because the result will be 14 equivalent the value here when x equals 3. Questions number 5. The balance point of the set data which is represented by the opposite dot plot it will be what? We can find the balance data about numbers. We have 5 and 6 and we have 8 and 9 and 10. 10. Look at 10 repeating twice. Again, look at with me about 6 here. About this example, to find the balance point, it's meaning which is the point lies in the middle. When you arrange it numbers ascending order or descending order, you must choose the number which lies in the middle. Lies in the middle here 8. Then the point here about balance point it will be 8. Okay, choose letter B. Next question, letter number 6. A set of counting number, subset of or not subset, subset of rational number. Okay, it will be subset. Counting number, subset of rational number. Choose letter C. Questions number 7. The number series is divisible by 4 and 5. We can find the result between 4 and 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Which numbers can divide by 20? Here in this example, if we attention about, the result will be 200. 200 can divide it by 20. Then the result will be 200. Choose letter E. Next example, number 2, complete the following. Number 1, the additive inverse of negative 3. Additive inverse of absolute value negative 3. We know absolute value of negative 3, it will be 3. Then the additive inverse, it will be negative 3. The result will be negative 3. Question number 2. 10 less than x equals 8. In equation, 10 less than x equals y. Write subtract between 10 less than x, then x greater than 10. X minus 10, it will be y. Okay, x minus 10 equal y. Question number 3. The mode of the values, it will be 10 because 10 here is the most repeating. We must choose the numbers which is the most repeating here. Choose 10. Next question, number 4. Number 4 here, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominator, it will be 12. 4 times 2 equal 8, and 3 times 3, 9. And then we can add them. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 17 over 12, you can simplify it. Because 17, we call it improper. Convert from proper to mixed number. 17 divided by 12, it will be 1 and the remainder 5. And the result will be 1 and 5 over 12. Okay, understood. Next question, number 5. In the equation y equals 3x plus 3, the independent variable, it will be x. Independent variable here, it will be x. Okay, and why we call it dependent variable? We have the difference between dependent and independent. Next question, number 6. The greatest non-positive integer, it will be 0. 0 is non-positive and non-negative. Question number 7. If x plus 3 equals 5, then we can find the value of x. X will be 2 because 2 plus 3, 5. The value of x equal 2. And then he won't find what in the expression? He won't find 3x. The value of 3x, it will be what? Put x equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. The result will be 6. Question 8. From the opposite box plot, we can find the range, the difference between maximum and the minimum value. The maximum here, it will be 18, and the minimum 10. 18 subtract by 10 equal 8. The range, it will be 8. Next question. Number 3, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the integer which comes just before negative 2. Before negative 2, it will be negative 3. The number line we have here, negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 3 comes before negative 2. Then the result will be negative 3. Questions number 2. In the opposite histogram, how many cells got more than 50 marks? 50 marks here, greater than 50 marks. We have 50 students and 30 students. 50 plus 30 equal 80. Again, why? Because he asked about the students got more than 50 marks. 50 marks were here down in the seats here. We know 20 students get 50 marks, but he asked about more than 50. More than 50 will be from 51 to 100. How many students get from 51 to 100 degree? For mark, 50 students get from 51 to 75, and 30 students get degree from 76 to 100. So you must add two numbers, 50 and 30. The sum of them, it will be 80. Next question, number 3. The best subset of the number 0 is space. 0 subset of rational number. Okay, natural number. Choose letter A. 0, set of 0, subset of natural number. Choose letter A. Question number 4. Which of the following is one of the solution of the inequality x greater than or equal to negative 1? It will be what? Which number greater than or equal to negative 1? It will be negative 1. It's equal to x equal to negative 1. Okay, choose letter A. Question number 5. The outlier value of the following data. Outlier here, it will be 94 because we have long division between them, long distance between 94 and all numbers. Then the result will be 94. It's the outlier. Choose letter D about question 5. Question 6. The order pair which statement equation here, y equal to x minus 1. What is the point satisfies this equation? Y equal to x minus 1. We have first point 3 and 7. Put here, put x equal 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, x minus 1 will be 5. So the result here 7, not satisfies. And the next point 1 and 0. Put x equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 minus 1, 1. The result will be 0, so it's not satisfies. Next point 2 and 3. Put x equal 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 minus 1 equals 3, it's true. So the point will be 2 and 3 satisfies the equation y equal to x minus 1. Understood? Put x equal to again. Here, 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Then this point satisfies. Question 6 shows letter C. Question 7. If the mean of the values data is 7, what is the value of x? We know the mean equals sum of all numbers divided the number. They give us this information in the example. The x bar here was 7. X bar it will be 7. It's the mean. And we know the mean sum of all value. We can write 5 plus 12 plus x plus 9 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then find product. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 plus 12 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 12, 17. 9 plus 7, 16. The plus of them equal 28. 28 plus x. The value of x equals the difference between two numbers. Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers here. 35 subtract by 28. The result will be 7. Then the value of x it will be 7. Choose letter C about this example. Choose letter C. Next question. Number 4. Find the solve of the questions. Number 1. Find 4 rational numbers lies between negative 3.1 and negative 3.17. We must equal parts. Put 0 here to equal parts. And you can find a lot of numbers lies between them. Like that. Negative 3.1 and 1. Negative 3.1 and 2. Negative 3.1 and 3. And negative 3.1 and 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to find 4 rational numbers that will be negative 3.1 and negative 3.7. We have here put 0 first to equal parts and then count from this number to this number. Okay. Next question. We will use the expression 6 plus 7 product by x power 2 minus 4 at x equals 3. Put x equals 3 here, then we can write 6 plus 7 product by 3 power 2 minus 4. Write 6 plus 7 product by 3 power 2, it will be 9. And then we can write 6 plus 7 product by 9 minus 4, it will be 5. Then we can write 6 plus 7 product by 5 equals 35. Okay, find the product first. 6 plus 5, 11, 1, and we carry up 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4, then the result will be 41. Next question. Number 3. Complete the following table according to the equation. We have y equal to x plus 1. We can draw the table. We have x and y. 0, 1, 2. Put x equals 0 here. 2 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Put 1. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. And then we can draw vertical and horizontal. Put all data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The first order 0 to 1. Stop here. Start from 0 to 1. And the next order 1 and 3. Going from 1 to 3. And start from 2 going to 5. And then we can draw the ray. Okay, it was question number 3. Next question. Draw the box plot of data and then find the median and lower quartile and upper quartile. Okay, first step, we must arrange all numbers. Ascending order. Okay, we have smallest number 4, 6. We have 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 9, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we must choose the number lies in the middle. 9 here is the median. And from this set, we have quartile 1. Quartile 1 will be 5. And from this set, 14 is quartile 3. And 15 maximum. And 4 minimum. And then we can draw number line. And then with the point from smallest 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, beginning from 4 and the end to 15. And then going to quarter 1, 5, quarter 3, 14, then draw box plot. And the median to 9 here. Okay, it's a box plot about using the ruler to get the exact result.